Yeah, I just wanted to show you all the birds out there. Look at them all. Wow. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 birds on the ground. Well, then I guess it's feeding time for them. Right now, I guess it's lunchtime. I don't know what type of birds those are. They are tiny. But I can't. Because I don't want to go up too close because I don't want to scare them. A lot of them, huh? Oh well, I just wanted to show you. And then there's some up on the bird feeder. Okay, I just wanted to show you all the birds. I thought that was pretty something. You don't see them all there sitting. Okay, see you later.